Okay, you guys, I figured out task 9. So this is actually code that I found in one of the books, and so I'm just going to copy and paste it. And so as you can see, it just highlights everything. So one of the things that I did is I added a letter. So if you look at the first part of the name here for the organism, for the classification, A is in like all of them. So it's going to highlight, as you can see, 1, 2, I don't know if you can see my highlighting. You'll see later. It's like the first 4 names, which is great, and I'll take care of the one on line 8 in just a second. So I'm going to click Find, get to the first one. Oops, I just passed it. We'll get there though. So here we go. So I have A. I'm just going to replace it with A dot because that's what we want. And there we have it. So now I'm going to go find the next one. We want F dot. Replace. Find the next one. We want C dot. Replace. Now we're on the next one. We want, sorry guys, we want S dot. Replace. Now in order to get the other one, we're going to have to just backspace the letter and then it'll highlight it for some reason. So that's something that I found to work. So just go down. Now we're there and I'm going to do M dot. And all of a sudden they are replaced with the correct format.